So tunataka tuanze na certificate of appreciation for those who assisted us, who helped us from day one up to this particular day. Na nikikuita unakuja mbio mbio, unasalimiwa na our chief guest, anakupatia certificate, then you sit down. So we have certificate of appreciation. Ya kwanza ni ya Sandia Weliei. Sandia Weliei, unafaa kuja hapa haraka sana iwezekanavyo tafadhali. In recognition of your effort to become the inner art teacher. Where are you? Sandia. Makofi kwake kwa Sandia. Makofi tena. Peris Muna Wambua, where are you? Then Phyllis Mbithe Kamau unafuata. Then you have Ruth Mbuli. Ruth Mbuli Matei unafuata. Umeshaita Peris Muna.
Songa hata wewe kidogo.
Karibu Then you have Joshua Masila Kamau. Then you have Geoffrey Karani Ndinyuka in that order. Peris Muna Wambua, welcome to the stage. In recognition of your effort to become, the cosmetology teacher. Then you have Phyllis Mbithe Kamau in recognition of your effort to become the fashion and design teacher. Picha na guest honor ni muhimu. Makofi kwake. Yeah, you clap for them kindly. Then you have Ruth Mbuli Matei in recognition of your effort to become the fashion and design teacher. Makofi kwa Ruth. Then you have Joshua Masila Kamau. Where are you? Geoffrey Karani. Kunaye hapa. In recognition of your effort to become the music teacher, the best music teacher. Makofi kwake. Then you have Joshua Masila Kamau in recognition of your effort to become the computer packages teacher. Makofi kwake kwa Joshua. Then you have volunteer certificates. Tunataka pia our chief guest atusaidie kupeana. So nikikuita unakuja haraka. Volunteer certificate, wale ambao walivolunteer kusaidia kwa this iWife Free Weekend Academy. We have Joshua Masila Kamau. Joshua Masila Kamau, come on stage. Ruthi Mbuli Matei. Then we have Geoffrey Karani, Phyllis Mbithe Kamau, Sarah Nzisa Mutuku, Chap, Veris Muna, Joshua Masila Kamau. Clap for him once more. Ruth Mbuli Matei. Then you have Geoffrey Karani. Phyllis Mbithe Kamau. Sarah Nzisa Mutuku. Lastly, we have the certificates of excellence for the best students in best overall student in season 1. Grace Muleche Kasina, kuja mbio mbio. Grace. Grace Muleche Kasina, in recognition of your effort to become the best overall student in season 1. Makofi kwake tafadhali. Pia kuna zawadi ambayo wanapewa. Afid Abdullahi Mahat, where are you? Huyo hajakuja. Omar Buya Jilo, where are you? Toka Tana River. Huko? Rukia Ngamangai Omar, kuja kwa stage. Rukia Omar Buya. So, he is the best student in masonry. Best student in masonry. Makofi kwake. Makofi. Rukia Ngamangai Omar, in recognition of your effort to become the best student in inner art. Makofi kwake. Then we have Ambu Mudoi Zioka, in recognition of your effort to become the best student in computer studies. Where are you? Chap chap. Ambu Mudoi, are you with us? Makofi kwake. Kijana mdogo lakini ako na akili mingi sana. In recognition of best student in computer studies.
Simama upande hiyo.
Makofi kwake. Yes. Julius Mutinda Mumende. Julius, best student in fashion and design. Where are you? Rafiki yangu sana, karibu. Julius Mutinda Mumende. Yule mwingine ambaye anafuata ni Sostini Wakora Nyongesa. Sostini Wakora Nyongesa. Alice Wanza Katua. Christine Atieno Otieno. Sostini Wakora Nyongesa, best student in leadership. Makofi kwake. Huyu ni kiongozi bila shaka, ndio. Alice Wanza Katua, best student in catering. Makofi kwake. Mpishi ondari, au sio? Yes. Christina Atieno Otieno, best student in cosmetology, beauty, urembo, ndio. Makofi kwake. Yes. Usisikie wivu, pinga makofi tafadhali. Yeah. Is your sister? The last, not the least, Enda Anyango Olwanda, best student in music. Where are you? Best student in music, Enda Anyango, Olwanda. So tuko karibu kufika mwisho. Tumepeana certificate to our best of students. Sasa kuna wale wengine ambao ni wengi sana, but we have sampled the certificates. Tunataka tupeane only 10 of them. Then from there wale wengine watachukua njioni. Mimi after the graduation. So nakuita jina pia unakuja haraka haraka. Janet Ngute Kioko. Where are you? Janet Ngute Kioko. Kuja kwa stage. Na huyu ni mwanafunzi ambaye anajulisha kwamba alipata kazi after going through the training 3 months. Hata kabla apate certificate ameshapata kazi. And you can see how the high wife, Free Weekend Academy, is changing, the lives of people. Makofi kwake. Irene Kaveli Chambata, come on stage. Mungai Mary Mudhoni. Aneriko Osundwa Okoko. Nikikuita unakuja haraka haraka. Irene Kaveli Nyambati. Alikuwa mwanafunzi wa catering. Mungai Mary Mudhoni. Aneriko Osundwa Okoko. Pia ni mwanafunzi wa upishi catering. Aneriko Osundwa Okoko, geology student, graduate. Yes. Irene Kanjunju, Ituru Agnes Maore, come on stage. Grace Muleche Kasina. Then we have Omar Wale Bajila. We have Nicholas Mulandi Musioka. Yes, Irene Kanjunju Murira, where are you? Makofi kwa Irene.
Songa kidogo.
Ituru Agnes Maore, biology student. Grace Muleche Kasina, biology student, graduate. Omar Ware Bajila, the electrical installation student, graduate. Nicholas Mulandi Musioka, electrical installation. Enda Onyango Olwanda, music student. Where are you? Eunice Kiboya Kaleche. Abednego Mbuvi Musioka. Eunice Kiboya Kaleche. Simama vizuri upige picha na our chief guest. Abednego Mbuvi Musioka. Mustafa Suleiman, where are you? Then finally we have Salome Anzanzi Tunje. Mustafa Suleiman, come on the stage. Salome Anzanzi Tunje, makofi kwake. Cosmetology student. So asante sana bwana chief guest.